Hi everyone, it's Sarah and welcome to gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and check our channel for more videos like this. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the unsend your email part in 30 seconds. So if you change the settings, you will have a choice to unsend your email within 30 seconds of sending it. So without further ado, let's get started. Of course, the first thing that you'll ever need to do is log into your Gmail account. Then click this settings right here and then click see all settings. Now, you'll go to the general settings and then see here the undo send, and the send cancellation period is just 5 seconds. This is the default one. So what you're going to do is click the drop down box and click 30 seconds. It will give you enough time to unsend a message if you accidentally send one. So let's save the changes and try sending one. So for example, I'll be sending one to myself. Okay. And then click send. So as you can see, here you can undo it and it will give you 30 seconds to undo the message sent. And then let's undo it. That's it. So if you just have 5 seconds, the button will only have 5 seconds to appear, but since we change it to 30 seconds, you have 30 seconds limit to undo a send message. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below your questions and suggestions that we can answer on our next video, and subscribe. See you on our next video. Bye!